Hello guys, this is me srLev, and as you may know from my videos, I'm playing Roblox, but I'm not just playing it, I'm developing games too. And in today's video, I will show how I develop my games. More specifically, one of my games. As you see in background, I do a bit of like a room and pretty much we are doing walls now, and you might not pretty much understand this for now. You're a developer, but you're a YouTuber. How you're a developer too? Because pretty much I developed like more than a year. My first game was like in 2024, I remember. I was doing it. So pretty much it was hard for me because I was mostly using toolbox items, and we would be later on toolbox, by the way. And pretty much I would say now we are close to finishing the room, doing the class. What was amazing because I like glass, and why we don't do some in our room, doing a bit of perfection in it, and adding roof. And now the important part is that we need a light, because it is pretty dark here. You know what? I will do an invisible light because pretty much I don't really need this not very good looking plastic light. It's just messing around. I better use a hider. And now I'm finding a door in our toolbox. As I said earlier, we can find anything that you want here. And pretty much that's very good, because if you don't know how to model or script, you can always just took some scripts, from example from toolbox, apply to your model, and that's it. And so we are now doing a bit of work. Yet it's a chair. I don't know why I didn't model a chair, because probably I don't remember how to do a seat, but I can do one. And pretty much I'm more like builder than a coder, because pretty much I didn't learn code too much, and because of that I will just do mostly models in this video. But we'll move on coding. In the last series I will show some thing they will code, like we would make a very basic script, like print that label for world, and pretty much we are practically done, but we need to remove door because it is very working and we don't need it pretty much. And now we are entering the room, and because of that we are going here, yes, and we sit, and I zoomed camera. And by the way, remember to join our Discord server. And yes, that's the name showing how I'm talking to you, a viewer. Pretty much I can use that sitting pose for recordings or something like that. I will probably add it to the real game, because actually it's not bad. It's not bad indeed. Like, seriously. But we might do not just part, right? We might do an sign part, because signs are pretty neat indeed. We need to say somewhere text developers or something like that, and so we need to do that in parts, because we can't like just place it on the screen of player, fully on the screen, just say We can place text, but it would be too bad if it would cover all screen. Like it would be so bad. You will not see probably anything and just walk somewhere in the space of something strange. So yeah, that's pretty much the first part, and we need to talk about things like we can choose part, we can move it, we can rotate it, we can transform it, and we can add a text. Yeah, we can add a text if you didn't know. And my voice beats like such, and there are little stops while I do this video in Premiere Pro because I am sick. Yeah, I got sick because of school, and that right now I got plus 10 degrees, which is pretty low for NC city, Odessa. And yeah, remember to try Discord by the way. And we're done with text while I talked and pretty much all of that. And we can see the result, but I will show that we can do scripts. Yeah, we can do scripts. And you know what my microphone is? If you think that it is professional now, it was with my headphones. Like I'm talking with my headphones microphone. And I'm serious. This is really my headphones microphone. By the way, I will probably soon do a bit of showing like my things. Maybe I will show my laptop or headphones as a review because I am using both of those things a lot, and in the past half of year pretty much I used both of them, and so I can probably do it. And in the background you can see the text that I'm doing right here. I'm doing now various fonts and sizes and things like that. And you know why I need this part? Because I'm doing a billboard. Yeah, you can do billboards. It's not me. Don't worry. It was weird. Because I'm too poor. Yeah. So what about the text? We are finishing it, but you see that little bottom that we can't like move. We need to move the background. But I'm not kidding. And if I wanted, I could place even an image and like do this as an image billboard, but I'm a bit undeveloped. So pretty much, I don't still understand how I can do images properly. Yeah, sorry. My microphone is pretty much not bad. It has some that thingy around it, and it has a cable and this inside the thing. And so we finished with billboard, and now I will show the last part of this video, toolbox. We can find things, we can do them, we can redo them, we can resize and do whatever we want. Actually, here for example we can find the model, and by the way, if someone needs models for Roblox Studio, maybe you're a developer, you can ask me pretty much, because I am appreciating if someone wants to actually have a model from me. And pretty much, yeah, we are already reviewing rooms, whereas this is doors one. By the way, I have a copy of doors. You can check it out on my page, that I have a link in description of the channel on the home page of it. And now we are reviewing cars. This is some random model of car. It is not working. Yes. Uh-huh. And so we need and one more thing. You know which? Write in the comments and you have approximately 10 seconds before I tell you. As for now, I tell for the card, it's very detailed, very cool. We can use toolbox to do an entire game. Yes, we can do an entire game from toolbox, and you know what? My first game was pretty surely what they said. It was just toolbox items which I placed when I was like 2 years from now, and I was very little. Yet I was a bit not very good. And yeah, we respawn, we can do that. Don't check the money system, it is broken right now. I will fix it soon. Because the money system is just for fun. Like, we will soon add a real money system with work and etc. So you will get random coins around the map, or you can work. You will basically have a button that you will click and get one money each time you click it. That's it. And now we're moving on the last part of this video. That is 3.1 part. Toolbox models. Like we can do a character from it. And you know one funny thing about it? We can do anyone and anything. We can just take a rig, add some decor, add the face, coloring, t-shirt, legs, and etc. And now I'm just moving the legs so he would sit but not stay. And now we are close to finishing. We just need a bit of showing. Control Z is to unapply, by the way, the things that you have done. You might see that I don't know, right? So we just click Control Z and revert it, and yeah, that's it. And pretty much we are close to end of this video. Thanks for watching. Go check out our videos and goodbye.